Hey guys, Gracie here from Podium's AI team. Today we're going to be talking about lead sources and all of the ways that your AI employee can respond to leads in Podium. Um, Giving Jerry, our AI employee, access to these leads is super important. We want Jerry to be owning and being the first touch on all of your leads for a couple of reasons: speed to lead, and also we want your employees to be focusing on that harder work and more complex issues. So we've made that possible with three different routes that a lead can get pulled into Podium. We're going to chat about web chat first, and then we'll hop into lead drive and missed calls and text to prompts for your phone calls. So let's talk about web chat. So web chat is a little widget that goes on your website. You embed that code and then a little pop-up will say, hey, have any questions? Message us here. And so customers will fill in their information and then that will pull into Podium. So it'll tell you what their message or what part of the website their message was sent from. So if they were looking at a certain car, that could be visible there. I said I want a new truck. And so our AI employee responded back to me with a couple examples. And when I ask for more details, it'll tell me that. So having these leads pull into Podium and letting Jerry work them is going to be a huge win for your business. Let's jump into Lead Drive next. How to connect to Lead Drive so our AI employee can respond to more of your leads. So I'm on the settings page here under lead sources and then email leads. And I'm going to click setup now. It's important that your email that is receiving these leads is a Gmail or an Outlook. If it's not a Gmail or an Outlook, we recommend just creating a new email to receive these leads. So I'm going to quickly pop in my information and allow Podium access into my email. And I did that off screen, but now it's going to look through my emails and see if it can find any that have a lead's email address or say new lead. So that way you don't have to go fishing through your inbox to find those leads. Okay, once it had found those leads, I selected if I wanted those to be those leads to pull into Podium, and I have the from addresses blurred, but for your own company, you'd see like leads from Wix.com, Zapier. Okay, now back on this page, you can see that has the connected email and three sources. These are the from emails. Also making sure that your inbox is correct. You can switch that by coming here to change folder. So if you route your leads to a certain folder, just making sure that we grab that correct one. Another thing that's super awesome is we have an automated text. So as soon as a form comes into your email inbox, it'll say like, hey, thank you for reaching out to our location. Someone will be with you soon. If you have Jerry or the AA employee, we recommend turning this off just because we want Jerry to own that conversation from start to finish. And sometimes it can be a little clunky if they're getting an automated message and then Jerry responding within that same minute. Sweet. So let's see what this looks like in the inbox. So the customer just submitted a form. This was a form that was just on their website and it just said name, phone, and a quick message. And so you can see the customer said, hey, I want a new Toyota Tacoma. And the AI assistant picked up that chat and said, hey, that's a great choice, and is going to work that lead through text, which is super awesome. So we want to make sure Lead Drive is set up for everyone, just because the more leads that Jerry gets his hands on, the better. Another lead source or a lead channel that Jerry, our AI employee, can pick up is phone calls. So say a customer messages in or tries to give you guys a phone call and you guys aren't able to pick up and it goes to voicemail. That voicemail will pull into Podium and Jerry, our AI assistant, will start working that lead and they'll be able to work with the customer and hopefully get them in for a test drive.